What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. It is on fire. Literally, the news just dropped that Shiba Inu is now an acceptable, tradable asset on Coinbase Pro. If you guys didn't see the Twitter, it said here, inbound transfers for SHIB are now available in regions where trading is supported. Traders cannot place orders, and no orders will be filled. Trading will begin on or after 9 p.m. on Thursday, September 9th, tomorrow, if liquidity conditions are met. Folks, this is exactly what we've been waiting for. For everybody that has doubted Shiba Inu, each and every one of you who have paper-handed your positions, congratulations, you literally played yourself. Because now we're going to start to see what this crypto asset has in store for all of us, up 37.19% on the day. After the significant sell-off, yesterday I told you guys at 570 Satoshi units that when they panic, we pounce. We had triple touching, and I said if there was going to be any significant catalyst, guess what? Shiba Inu was going to start to skyrocket, and today's the day, almost up 40% on the day. I cannot believe my eyes. I salute each and every one of you guys who diamond-handed your way through all the volatile times and all the ones who were the naysayers saying Shiba Inu is going nowhere. Mind you guys, it has not even been listed yet on Coinbase. These are just paper hands coming back into their positions, whales starting their positions as well. Now, I do want to mention, guys, that I am not a financial advisor, nor do I make these videos for financial advice. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in, SHIB Army. Always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And to all the new SHIB Army members, welcome. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, I do want to mention the link in the description below for Webull, of course. So if you don't know, another place you can trade SHIB for zero fees is on Webull's centralized brokerage. Yes, it is centralized, which is a setback, but if you can get it for zero fees, this is the place to do it, and you get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, and you get to support your boy. So make sure you guys click the link in the description below, and there's also one down there for BlockFi if you want to get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin. Now, shout out to Satoshi coming active a couple hours ago. If you guys didn't see his tweet, he was thanking one of the whales who actually just bought into SHIB as of literally about 10 or 11 hours ago. An Ethereum whale just bought 271 billion Shiba Inu, or $1.6 million worth. Because guess what? People like these individuals are ones that believe in what we are building, as Satoshi just said. We are building a decentralized platform that is going to be like none other. A community-driven crypto asset that is here to stay. So for every single one of you guys who have been following me since day one, those who doubted that Coinbase will relist SHIB, well, guess what? The day like today has come. Coinbase Pro has relisted Shiba Inu, followed by the Coinbase listing and everything else. What did we say? Webull was going to list SHIB. Coinbase was going to watch. Coinbase followed. Coinbase listed Shiba Inu. Hundreds of thousands of people start trading SHIB on Coinbase's platform. And just remember, my videos are timestamps. You can go back and look exactly to what I said. And I always hold down what, I always tell you guys, keep me accountable for the words that I say. And I always try to hold it down. After Coinbase lists, you guys know who's going to follow. That's going to be Robinhood. So again, these decentralized platforms that are listing our crypto asset, that's fun. But when these centralized brokerages also launch and allow us to start trading Shiba Inu on theirs, that's when the game changes, because a lot of retail investors are uncomfortable using DEXs or decentralized exchanges. You and I, we got in early because we took the risk of utilizing these other types of brokerages or these other types of exchanges that are not as accessible for the typical retail investor. So we beat a lot of the whales, we beat a lot of the retail investors, and guess what? The return to all-time highs is imminent. I think we're going to start to see some significant, look at this, 800 Satoshi units. We're literally breaking through resistance every single second. And this is only the beginning. Mark my words here, right? Not financial advice, but Shiba Inu, 1,000 Satoshi units is going to be seen very, very soon. 2,000 is going to be seen very soon as well. 3,000 as the overall market picks back up. Today's a day that there's still a little bit of a correction in the overall cryptocurrency market. Ethereum down 1.4, Bitcoin down 2.23, Cardano down almost 2%. Again, overall crypto conditions are down, but because of the catalyst, things are looking good. And guess what's going to happen? Tomorrow, as the overall market decides to rebound after yesterday's and today's correction, we're going to see some significant price action for SHIB. And as soon as it gets listed on Coinbase, just like any other asset does, once it becomes a tradable asset on that platform, Oh boy, you guys know exactly where we're going to be headed, directly to the promised land. So I congratulate all the investors that have been holding it down and the ones who come back and support these videos each and every day. Because again, all I try to put you guys, all I try to do, look at me mumbling my words and fumbling on them. All I try to do is put you guys on a place that I'm in. And this is exactly one of those plays. So for everybody that decided to pounce when everybody else panics, because you guys know the words, when they panic, we pounce. So yesterday, the triple touching at 570 Satoshis, you're up almost 50% just if you bought during that dip that was mentioned yesterday on the channel. And I can't make this stuff up. Go back and look at the videos. I made a short clip, 15-second clip, telling you guys triple touching is approaching. So it's time to pounce. Because when they panic, we pounce. So a big shout out to Coinbase. It took longer than anticipated. 3 full months to get us relisted on the Coinbase Pro platform. But now, you guys know what's going to happen. Day by day, more and more investors are going to come into this space, and we're going to see some significant price action moving forward. I am so excited for the future, and I salute and congratulate all the investors that have been pouncing. One more thing, as you guys can see, I'm not in my typical setup. The camera's super low quality. That's just because I am traveling, but I'll be back home on Saturday, and we'll be doing definitely some live streams and getting, again, just the excitement as we've been doing this whole time. One other thing I mentioned yesterday on my stream is this opinion article from MarketWatch saying, if you lost money on Bitcoin or other crypto assets today, being yesterday, the real flash crash, if you will, it might be because you can't trust your memory, according to new research. So if you scroll through and read about it, it talks about how people have this thing called overconfidence. A lot of investors fall into the trap of having overconfidence, and when the market pulls back, they're like, oops, I was wrong, sell for a loss, and then they get upset, end up hating on the entire crypto market and hating on investing, and end up missing out on a lot of opportunities. So for those of you who weren't able to diamond hand yesterday, guess what? All I could tell you is identify price points that you're willing to buy back in. Make sure you understand that the overall crypto market goes through cycles. We will see run-ups and we will see pullbacks. We'll see another run-up and we'll see another pullback. That's how things work. So when things are green and are on literal fire going to the moon, I always say be very cautious before investing at those times, unless you're looking to hold for the long-term gain, because following a run-up, we'll always see a tiny bit of a correction. So for me, right now, I'm just going to be holding my SHIB with excitement and happiness because I've been pouncing left and right each and every day for the last few months, awaiting these catalysts to come about. Catalyst number 1, done. Now, catalyst number 2, Webull, right? Its listing catalysts are coming about slowly but surely, and I'm loving it. But now it's time to take it to the next phase. Now, what I would love to see is Shibarium going live by the end of the year. Boom. More things that are bringing utility to this crypto asset, which will bring in new retail investors that now have access to investing in this cryptocurrency, because guess what? They actually are willing to utilize Coinbase because millions, 56 million users now have access to Shiba Inu. Let that sink in for a little bit, comprehend that, and get excited, folks. Wow. When they panic, we pounce. Thank you all so much for tuning in, everyone. And until next time, everybody, I will be back later. Keep investing. Peace.